We're back on the action. We got 2 mourning doves. No fucking way. Sweet. Those doves. Oh my god, look at that. This is my first time getting a woodpecker. And he just flew away. Those mourning doves are still there. Look at them. My words, sweet. See my bird? Look at that chickadee over there. Just flew away. Oh, and mourning dove's coming in, and so's the other one. See, no one wants to go play with them. He's pecking at that window. Say hi to the mourning doves. Sweet. We got some more action. Cool. This is great. A cardinal. And it just flew away. You see my goofy bird? There's another chickadee dee 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 dee. Okay, I got some more action in here. Look at all these birds. Great day for bird watching. There's that cardinal. There it is. Cool. I think that's a female cardinal. It just flew away. Did you see those birds? They just like flew away. Okay, we're getting some. That morning I was still there. Got a lot of birds out there. This is one of the things you have to be good about bird watching. You gotta be an expert, like me. Wow, look at all these birds. This is so awesome. It's like a smorgasbord. They all keep flying away though. Why? Oh. Cool beans. So awesome. There's a bird. What is that? Just another chickadee. I think no one needs to call some more birds. What do you think, folks? There's one bird on the ground. There's a chickadee. Right there. Wow. That was great. Wasn't it, Noah? We'll see you guys later. Say goodbye to the audience, Noah.